Hello friends, this is me Ashok. Welcome in my channel. Friends, when we are talking about with each other or when we communicate with each other, at the time we use have and has, these two words in our communication. In this video, I'm going to tell you about the uses of these two words, have and has. So let's see the two examples, two sentences, and then we'll analyze these two sentences, and then we try to understand how the uses of have and has in our communication. Let's see the first sentence. I have a pain. Second is I have completed my work. In the first sentence I used have, and the sentence is showing a possession of a pain that I have. In second sentence I have completed my work, that I complete my work. It is completed by me. So the first sentence shows us a possession and second sentence shows us a perfect time or perfect tense in present tense. Basically, these two words have and has, they are the form of the verb in present tense. They are showing the present tense, and we used it in present perfect tense. So let's see some more examples, and through the examples we can understand the uses of these two words. First, we learn about the have. We'll see more examples about the have. I have a notebook. I have my work. You have a toothpaste on your chin. You have my notebook. We have a meeting at 12 o'clock. We have our own homes. They have their responsibilities. They have so many gardens. So these are the examples of the word have that we used in our communication. Let's see another word, has. She has great power. She has her home's responsibility. He has great personality. She has her parents' responsibility. It has a hole in the center of the earth. So these are the examples of has word that we used in communication. Guys, have and has, these words we are learning about their position, how they show the position. Now we move towards the perfect time or perfect tense. The example is, we have watched that movie. We have completed their work. I have completed my work. They have ignored him. You have eaten a mango. We have bought a textbooks. They have opened their own shops. So these are the examples of perfect tense that we see in here, the uses of have in perfect tense. We move towards the has. He has completed his homework. She has watched that movie. He has done his best job. She has completed my task. She has ignored him. It has opened. So these are the examples of perfect time which we learn. So in this video we learn about the uses of have and has. Let's see some examples about the negative sentences, that is have and has. So the example is, I have no responsibility. We have no meeting at 12 o'clock. You have not paste on your chain. She has not completed her work. It it has not a hole in the center of the earth. So these are the negative sentences of have and has. We learn the position of have and has word, and then we learn the perfect time they showed. So I have cleared my point here. If you have come any difficulty, then please comment me in the comment box. And thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, then please subscribe and share it. Thanks again. Have a nice time.